welcome back to YachtLens. We are fortunate today to have Matt Partna from Silver Seas Yachts, and he has been gracious enough to offer to take us through the Saxdor 400, and we are going to pass it over to him and let him do that right now.
All right, welcome aboard the Saxdor 400 GTC. As you step aboard into the cockpit area here, you're going to notice a big sun pad for lounging. This also serves as a double feature because underneath this sun pad, we have another berth. So there's a sleeping area. And let me give you an example of what that looks like. You come through in here, you just lift this up right here, and then you have another little berth area that you can throw kids or guests, anything like that. Very comfortable. And then you also can lift this part up to be able to have stairs to go down below, make it easy.
That's brilliant.
Everything about this boat, you can open up and make a very open layout. For example, you can open this door, get all sorts of fresh air coming throughout the entire boat. And I think one of the biggest features of this boat that really is the eye grabber for anybody that walks by this boat at the show is these terraces. These terraces drop down, they're on electric actuators, and the same thing happens on the other side. You just mimic and have both side terraces go down to add that much more square footage to the Saxdor 400.
Yeah, that is outstanding.
And then more forward here, we have the galley area. We have a nice induction cooktop. We have a refrigerator down below here. And we have another double feature aspect of this boat, which is this seat right here, which I will demonstrate. So right now we have it in dining mode. So you just take these guys out, put that down, and you got a lot of space for 6, 7, 8 people to sit around and dine. And then, while you're underway, and you want your guests to be seeing the same thing that you're seeing, come here, press this button, and this seat is going to go all the way forward, or excuse me, all the way back. And then push this guy towards the back. And then you got enough room for your guests and everybody to enjoy facing forward while you're underway.
That is awesome. Just so well thought out. What a great use of space. And
Exactly. And then the main feature of the show here for this boat, the helm, of course. So here at this helm, we have the joystick, comes with skyhook. So the skyhook feature is going to keep the boat in place by taking your GPS coordinates. So whether you're sitting waiting to go through the locks, or whether you're coming into the marina and you need to put out your lines and fenders, you can press that skyhook button. The boat's going to stay perfectly in place. You have a total of 4 screens. They're all going to be Simrad electronics. You can customize these screens any way you want. Right now we have GPS, engine data, but you can go through and you can change these to just about anything. Radar, depth finder, you name it.
that's just a beautifully laid out helm. And
Absolutely, yeah. You know, and with technology and everything we have nowadays, of course, you're going to need a place to charge your phone. So you can take your phone, just set it on that pad, it's going to charge right up. Wireless charging throughout. We got a couple of these throughout the boat. And then down below here, this is going to be your stateroom. And there is a head before we take you through to the berth. You have a head with shower. It's going to be the wet head there.
really spacious.
Very spacious head and very spacious stateroom, especially in the 40-foot application here. And then moving forward, we have the nice berth here, nice seat to sit down, kind of vanity area. You have access to your HVAC system. You do have heat and air conditioning on this boat. Next to that, you're going to have your JL audio for your Bluetooth capability for your music, your tunes, all that kind of stuff. And lots of plenty of natural light coming through. Of course, you can close everything up or keep all that natural light. Makes it feel a lot more open.
That's sure does. Really great headroom.
Yeah, absolutely. And next, I think we'll move forward to the bow, which is very comfortable. Lots of seating up there. And this is very easy to close and open, just like that. On forward, got lots of lounge seating with storage space. So nice hot summer day. This is the place to hang out.
Just that, I think that's what strikes you, other than how light and airy and open it is. It's just like such a fantastic use of space.
Exactly. Yeah.
Great lines.
Beautiful lines. Yeah, absolutely. Saxdor also makes the GTO, which is for open. So instead of having all of these windows and doors and things like that, you can have a completely open application. We also have the 320 GTO. So the GTC stands for closed, GTO stands for open. And then we also have debuted recently the 340 GTWA, which is the walk-around version of the Saxdor. So
Really?
if you want a walk-around version, you can get that with a 340 GTWA.
Just a really, really special design, really special boat.
Absolutely. Polish-built boat, Finnish company. They do a great job.
They sure do.
Yeah.
And it's ideal for the Pacific Northwest.
Absolutely. Yeah, definitely. Being able to open it up and close it, our weather's not always amazing. So,
I've heard that.
yep.
Full power.
So, yeah, typical power is going to be the Mercury 400s, twin outboards. And that's going to come with that joystick that we showed you earlier. Well, and then you have a bow thruster too. So, very quiet engines, but it actually has a really fun feature called the Sport Exhaust, which you can turn on and off just from that Simrad screen right there. There's another functionality you can press, and then you can make it sound really loud and mean if you want, or you can make it absolutely dead silent.
Matt, I can't thank you enough.
Yeah,
Thank
of
you for
course.
taking the time to take us through. This has been a real treat to get aboard. We were going to have links to your contact information, links to
Absolutely.
more information on the boat in the description. Leave comments for Matt, leave comments for us. Let us know what you think of this very special boat, and we will see you in the next video.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks a lot, Rick.
Thanks a lot, Rick.